We're going to go see if we can find these Indian grounds. We found the gate and we found a marker to say it was here, but it's not well marked after the sign, so we'll see. Well, with no luck, we did not find the Indian mounds that we came to search for. We're going to have to do some more research, I think, on the exact spot. We found the general area because we found the sign, you know, on where it is, but we asked a couple people and they don't have any clue either. So we're going to call this part of it a day and head over somewhere else. We made it to another river and we're going to sneak in somewhere, but there is a truck behind me, so we have to wait a minute for him to leave so we can sneak into some cool area that brings you back in time. Anyway, in the meantime, we're going to pretend we're looking here. We made it to this area where I feel like when we're here, we're back in time. So this is a very interesting area. It used to be where the barges were going to come through, but it was stopped back in the, I don't know what year. But it is so destitute back here, and you'll see when I get around the corner what that is. So the big ships, the barges that's used for that. I'm not up on the history like I should be on this, because I've only been here one time. So this is my second time, and it's so cool here. I want to go in that. There's vultures. There's something dead. There's vultures on that roof. They're flying. Oh boy. So I don't know what they're all here for. Gonna go look. Looking down there. There's a lot of them. These buildings are so cool. I just want to see what the vultures are doing. I hear knocking. Oh, maybe it's the bridge. Let's go see what these vultures are doing. Come on. Come on, Miss Bean. Come on. My dog don't want to come. Come on. Oh no! What happened? What? Her leg. Oh no. I don't know what happened. Did you just get... Wait, I just want to come in here and show you this barge area. This used to be, this is all the equipment. Really neat. My dog is petrified. I don't know why. She's never acted this way. I'm a little nervous, so we are gonna check one other thing out and head out. So she's so scared. I don't understand why she's so scared. She won't walk. She's petrified. Petrified. All right, I got the dog figured out. She was so scared and nervous about something. She tried to get out of her harness, and I didn't realize that until I sat down and looked at her, and she was choking. So she's better now. And she didn't like whatever was in that area. She absolutely was petrified. She's doing better now. Oh, goodness. That was nerve-wracking. All right, we made it into another building. Very, very old. This hasn't been used. I don't know what the year was when this all really closed down. Oh, this is creepy. This is creepy. Look. Look. Yay. What year? And the year on that?
I saw in 97.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. 1997. Still some fixtures in here. I do want to check out.
The back building.
Yeah, I do. I didn't see the back building the last time I was here. I was only here one other time. It's like you're back in time here. It's like really destitute and crazy. Okay. So this is the old lock right here. And we're going to walk over to that building and check it out.
That's
And,
all the entrance are there. It's to the
and then
water in there.
there's that other one where the dog was petrified.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Now when it gets
We made it to here. Can't get in it. I'm over here. In the front. There's a little area where they worked here. And so that's cool. It's really a massive area. Come here, baby girl. Area. And all this wood that's around it. I love to hang out here at night, but I don't think we're supposed to be here in the day, to be honest. There's another building, but we're not going to go over there. It's locked up, and we don't know how safe that is. I'm going to fall in any river. Here for a minute. Very cool. Now we're going to check out the last building. Yeah. Watch out for this. This doesn't look so stable. Hope there's no wild animal. Oh, I screwed up. Come on. She ain't coming. She don't want to go up here. I'm not going to make you come, honey. I'm going to come down. All right, so we came back to this particular building. She has nothing to do with this building. She hates it. Something's going on that she does not like. You coming now? All right, we're leaving our adventurous day today. It's so cool back in there. My dog was scared to death of one building, like petrified. Like I'd never seen that. Well, I mean, she was kind of new to me, but I know she lived in the woods for 7 months as a feral dog. So whatever was around that building, she wanted nothing to do with it. She didn't mind the other buildings. She wanted nothing to do with that building. So other than that, really nice area. Too bad it's closed up, and you really can't get in here on a regular basis like I'd love to. Well, we did find a bottle. Don't know what kind yet. And Dawn found a feather. She's all better now.